say that I'm glad to be able to contribute together with friends also in this room, both partners and customers, to put the HbbTV at work. We've been working along the last years on several generations of over-the-top TV. In particular, as Symposium, we've been involved with the launch, for example, of Sky Go, Sky Online, and now TV, both in Italy, Germany, and now recently in Spain. We're working on the new generation of OTT of Mediaset and the new generation player of RT in Ireland. But several generations of OTT have been launched along the last years, and most of these in the past were focused on launching new additional channels separated from the television. The real opportunity now is to put these things together and have a joint single omni-channel, really omni-channel television service, which includes the traditional television capability and the OTT and digital ones. So this is opportunities to launch, as we will see from the panelists coming about international personalized advertising models, addressable TV advertising, and dynamic replacement of one-to-many broadcast advertising with one-to-one broadband targeted advertising, although also to use Gartner wordings, media-embedded merchandising capabilities. From the point of view I would like to bring here the discussion is that the technology is getting ready. Okay, we're all working on that, still much work to do, but technology is there. Now is the time of the business. So what we are seeing on the market, what is emerging, is really a business and organization transformation that is starting and going on and will accelerate in the next months and years. We see here, I personally would like to bring for the discussion three main challenges here coming from this business attention. First, we need to understand how to sell the new advertising paradigms. And if you go to the Mediaset booth here, you can see that not only there is, they show a demo with a very smart way to technology to efficiently generate HbbTV applications and run them in an infrastructure which includes the traditional television environment. But also, you will perceive if you go, if you dig down into the details, you will perceive that now there is the advertising which is driving the development, bringing constraints on the table every day, which come from initial tests of the market, initial experimental campaigns, which are now really demanding for specific functionalities to be implemented. The second challenge is how to combine the omni-channel application, the many omni-channel applications that we can generate, with the omni-channel data collection and management. We had a very interesting demo with Adobe and NBC, for example, showing the power of HbbTV interaction with the audience segmentation and user experience personalization. And the third and last challenge I would like to mention is how to support the editorial and marketing teams in their daily operations. So we have been telling them since years, you will be able to launch multi-channel and also multi-screen interactive applications, but most of the components of the shelf on the market are mono-screen, designed for publishing on a single screen. So I've seen that the friends from IRT, but also Mediaset, they showed the developed together with RBB, with Fraunhofer, developed along pre-competitive research funded by the European Commission, developed new models and in particular a prototype to extend the content management multi-screen capabilities. So this is the transformation that is going on. There's an entire digital supply chain to be transformed. I will invite the four speakers now to tell us more about this, and in particular Vincent Graver from TDF, which will tell us about the merits and limitation of HbbTV today. Oliver Frederick and David Holman from Google, which will speak about addressable TV options. Klaus Merkel from IRT, which will give us a technical perspective on targeted advertising, with a specific focus on spot replacement. And finally, Sebastian Busso from SmartClip, which will tell us about the power of combining traditional television with the digital OTT one. So, enjoying the panel, and I pass the ball to Vincent first.